Nurturing forgiveness within. Today's exploration brings us into the realm of forgiveness, a lesson drawn not from grandiose monuments or ancient manuscripts, but from the simplicity of everyday life. Our focus turns to nurturing forgiveness within, recognizing it as a foundation for inner peace. In the spirit of understanding this profound lesson, we delve into the stories beyond and behind ordinary objects, finding wisdom in the commonplace. Our journey begins in the heart of a bustling market, where vendors display an array of fruits. As we observe the colorful bounty, we draw parallels to the diversity of human experiences and emotions. Acknowledging the humanity in others becomes our first lesson, fostering empathy much like recognizing the uniqueness of each fruit. Compassion, we realize, is the cornerstone of forgiveness. Moving through the market, we encounter a well-worn pair of gardening gloves. These gloves, once pristine, now bear the marks of hard work and resilience. We reflect on the detrimental effects of holding on to resentment, understanding that much like the gloves, carrying the weight of grudges can hinder our ability to embrace the fullness of life. The freedom lies in releasing these burdens, just as the gloves find freedom in the soil. Our journey then takes us to a cozy cafe, where a cup of tea becomes the vessel for our contemplation. Much like the art of forgiveness, the essence lies within. We delve into the core elements of forgiveness as we sip the tea, identifying its transformative power. The seemingly ordinary act becomes a metaphor for the extraordinary potential within each forgiveness. In a quiet park, we come across a labyrinth. Walking its winding paths, we contemplate the complexities of forgiveness. Just as the labyrinth requires navigation and patience, forgiveness involves understanding and a deliberate journey. We develop strategies to navigate the challenges, recognizing that the labyrinth of forgiveness is unique for each individual. As the day progresses, we pause by a flowing river. The water, in its perpetual motion, reminds us that letting go is a continual process, a dance with the ever-changing currents of life. The art of releasing negative emotions tied to past grievances unfolds before us, and we understand that letting go is not a one-time event, but a continuous flow, much like the river. The evening sun paints the sky with warm hues as we find ourselves in a community square, witnessing a dance performance. The fluid movements of the dancers mirror the ongoing dynamic process of forgiveness. We appreciate forgiveness as a dance between giving and receiving, recognizing its fluidity and grace in the intricate steps taken by each individual. In the quiet moments of reflection under the night sky, we recognize that today's lesson is not confined to grand gestures or profound revelations. It resides in the everyday objects, the mundane experiences, and the simplicity of life. Nurturing forgiveness within is an ongoing journey, one that, much like the ordinary objects surrounding us, holds the potential for extraordinary insights and a profound foundation for inner peace.